Hi guys, we're gonna read an at
Okay, there's like,
can.
no, you have to say the sounds first. Again,
Oh,
K,
a can
good.
a can a an
One,
a man
man,
a pan a run a run ta
at na
oh,
at.
okay a b a bat a bat
Again,
k a k a cat a fat a hat a mat a mat
at,
rat
Again,
rat
that's up,
up k up cup map lap top ra rope
rap,
rap
at,
top
good job. And,
Wait.
actually, excuse me po. Go,
an k a come k a dam a ham j a jump a ram a sam da
no,
add add
uh,
d bad
again,
bad b a b
no, this is letter D.
oh yeah bad
No, D, D,
da
again,
da
dad,
dad
again,
dad
okay,
a d dad had had
had,
lab
no,
ay lab
lagi kang nagkakamali pag D, tsaka B. Mali ka pagdating sa B, tsaka D, nababaliktad. Again, this is the, d, add, from the top, d, try again,
d
add,
add
next, b,
d d bad d add bad b d add dad a d had a d lad a d d mad a d sad ga ad
again,
ag ad
ag,
d b a g bag j a g jag a g nag a g ra rag a g tag w a g wag e that
B,
bad
no,
ano pala
F, B,
bed
B, or B,
ay sabi ko be
okay,
sabi ko si
B,
be
that's B,
bed he me we
no, S and E, sounds, F,
sure she
pag yung dalawang E, magkasunod, magiging hard
hard
letter I, yung sounds like E,
hard
no, I mean you have to say E,
e
so that's two letter E, so that sounds E,
bid
anong B? Wala namang B sa dulo,
b
B,
b
anong B? Walang B,
parang sabi mo
B,
b
bubuyog,
bubuyog
B, next, no, that's not F, double E kasi mag-sound siya, oh, E, lagi ko ka I,
c
C,
c
C,
ter
sure, ano, may E,
cherry
tree,
tree
that's tree,
sinasabi ko yan si tree
okay,
ter
tree,
tree
next, E, say the sound one by one,
glee
ed,
ed
ed,
bed
bed,
fed
fed,
med
med,
erd
ed,
red red,
Red.
red, third,
Anong third?
ted,
Red.
two, wood, ay,
Ano? Next.
weed,
Red.
wed,
Next. Egg.
egg, egg, bag, egg, leg, egg, peg,
No, anak. No, anak siya. N na. N.
N, bend, bean,
Bean.
No.
No.
What is it?
Ben.
Bean,
Ano bean?
Ay,
Walang bean dyan. Ben.
dean,
Bean. Bakit na tayo? Bakit E? F. Ben. Then.
hen,
Hen.
man,
Hen.
pen,
Hen.
ten,
Ten. Now F.
bat,
Get.
get,
Get.
let,
Get.
net,
Net.
net,
Net. That's one.
pet,
Net. In.
pea,
That's
bean,
bean.
fiend,
Bean.
peen,
Bean.
peen, win,
Bean. E.
beat,
No, that's B.
deep,
So, lagi mo talaga nakapagalitan yung B tsaka D.
yeah,
That's not B. That's D.
yeah.
Go.
So I can
Deep.
keep, leap, sheep, tip, zip,
Ig.
dig,
No, that's B.
Ah.
Tingnan mo. Big.
big, dig, jig, fig, win, ay,
Big.
wig, pig,
Ig.
id,
No,
did,
that's B.
bid,
Bid.
bid,
Did.
bid,
D yan na. D.
did,
Wala naman tayo sa D. Mali na naman tayo sa D. Did.
did, hid, kid, lead,
Good job. X.
ask,
X.
x, mix,
Can you say the sound of F? And then X.
fix,
X.
mix, kiss,
No. Anong kiss? Kiss-kissin kita dyan. Una yung S. Una yung S.
six,
Six.
six,
That's number. Six.
Now
Now, it.
dit,
No, ayun na naman sa D. D.
bid,
Bit.
fin,
Ano yun?
feet,
Feet.
feet,
Hit.
hit,
Hit.
kit,
Kitin kita.
ano yun?
Eat.
Ano yun? Kit.
Kit.
Ano yun? Kit.
Huh?
Ano yun?
Yung mga stuff na ilalagay mo sa something bag or pouch. Like, for example, makeup kit. So, yung kit, yung lagayan mo ng mga stuff na yan. Oh, ano? Leap na.
Leap,
Mm.
seat,
Odd.
cod, nod, pod, rod,
Up.
cob,
Anong cob?
cup,
Up.
cup,
Cup.
hop,
Hop.
mob, poo,
Hop.
pop, poo,
Ot.
pop, ot, cut, dot, cut, dot, good,
Got.
got, hard,
Hot.
hot, lot,
Lot.
not,
Not.
not,
Sounds is something. O and O. Not. An. Say an.
onion,
Onion. Say book. An.
bun,
Ban.
fun,
Fun.
fun, gone,
English yan. G. An.
gun,
Gun.
bing bing bang,
Opo, yun. Tama yun. Next. Bakit may N? An tayo. Dapat N yan. Nan. Dapat N yan. So, run.
sun,
Sun.
sun,
Ano
onion,
yung sun sa Tagalog?
arrow,
Tama. Oh, I think we're done.
Huh?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.